This is one of the platform that pays you money instantly to go live. So as you can see on the screen, this platform is known as Popo Live Stream. You get this platform on Google Play Store. You can also get this platform on the App Store. So this platform has a 4.2 star rating with 133,000 reviews, a download size of 89 MB, rated for 12 plus, and has a 10 million plus downloads. And that is to tell you how this platform is very legit. So if you want to check them here, you can see that this platform allows you for a live stream, live broadcast. You can also live stream when you are partying. You can also make short videos on this platform, and you will be able to earn points on this platform, which you convert to cash immediately. So let's check some of the reviews on this platform. As you can see, they have a 4.5 star rating on this platform. As you can see, these are some of the reviews or writing by people on this platform. So let's know more about this platform by clicking on about this app. So this app is a platform that believes that it helps turn strangers to friends. So it's looking to add some excitement to your everyday life. Want to connect with people nearby and join in on the latest trend Popo Life has got you covered. So these are a lot of stuff you can do on Popo Life. You can exclusive influencer gifts and special effort. Watch out for limited time costume gifts and effects designed by Popo for your favorite influencers. So these are the exclusive influencer gifts that can be given to influencers also on this platform. You can also engage in PK battles, can have fun in live room competitions, take on friends or random challenges. Now on this platform, you'll be able to also earn money on this platform. As you can see, a special influencer gift. Enjoy Popo exclusive gift and effect crafted specifically for influencers. When you go live on this platform, gradually you tend to gather your fan base on this platform, who will in turn gift you every time you come on live. My name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and on my channel we talk about how you can make money online as a total beginner in 2024. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also make grow. And just like I've seen today video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pay you to go that pays you as you go instantly live. And the first on the list is known as Popo Live Stream. Just go to your Google Play Store and click on Popo Live with a POPPOLIVE live stream, and you click on install, and you'll be able to install the app, and this app will pay you instantly to go live. Let's check on the second platform on the list. So the second platform on the list is Bingo Live. This platform is known as Bingo Live. So let's just click on it, type it, Bingo Live, and we allow it to open. Alright, Bingo Live, and we allow it to open. So as I see here, this is Bingo Live. So let's click on the first one on the list. This Bingo Live is a live stream platform that allows you to explore, you watch, you chat, you connect. You can also get PK, which is points, and you'll be able to also earn on this platform. As you can see, you can also play game on this platform, and you can see the amount of points that are on this platform. When you win up to 103,693 points on this platform, that is coins, is equivalent to $493, which you can easily withdraw to your bank account. As easy as that. This platform has a 5 million reviews with a 4.5 star rating, 55 MB download size, 500 million downloads, and it's rated for 12 plus. So these are some of the reviews on this platform. It says, I've never seen such app with a very awesome and easy way of meeting new people around the globe. So you just have to click on about the app for you to know more about this app. It says this platform allows you to watch fun live stream, chat with people from around the globe, and get reward. Bingo Live allows you to live stream your favorite moment, make friends from all around the world, and watch 247 live streams to kill boredom. It says recommended to people who want to watch live streams and interact with hosts in real time, enjoy online music concerts, like chatting with people from around the world. And apart from this, you will also get paid for doing what you love on this platform. Just by going live, you will also get paid for it. So let's check on the last platform on this list. Please make sure you click on that red subscribe button so that you can motivate me to continue dropping videos like this, and you can also invite your friends share my videos to your friends so that they will know about these platforms that pay people money just by participating in them. So the last platform on the list is known as Twitch. So Twitch is also a live streaming platform that allows you to discover new streams, clips and stories, and also you will get paid just for it. So you can also check some of the reviews on this platform, or you can check out the reviews on this platform. This platform has a 4.5 star rating, 5 million reviews, a 49 MB download size, rated for 12 plus, and has a 100 million downloads. That is to tell you how legit this platform is. So let's click on about this app and you will get to know more about this app. So this platform allows you to stream, watch, chat and go live. It says Twitch is where thousands of communities from come together for our favorite streamers, for the games we love, for the looks, for each other, for whatever. Download Twitch and join millions of people enjoying live games, music, sport, e-sport, podcasts, cooking shows, etc. Now on this platform, when you are enjoying this thing, you are not just enjoying it for the fun, you can also enjoy it for the fun, and as you're enjoying it, you will also get paid for it. So whatever you're doing on this platform, you're also getting paid just for making yourself happy, for killing your boredom, and you will get paid. So these are the 3 apps that pays you to go when you go live instantly. The first one is known as Popo, the second one is known as Twitch, and the third one is known as Bingo Live. Go and check it out. These apps are all available on Google Play Store, and they are also available on the App Store. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on that red subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and so that you can also grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.